UG Project 2014 admission under University of Calicut. The scheme and syllabus of BA program in English under CUCB CSS 2014 admission stipulates that the students should do a final project. The university has given guidelines for conducting, reporting, and submitting the project in partial fulfillment of the requirements for the award of the degree of Bachelor of Arts in English under the university. There are some points to remember as per the guidelines of the university. First one is regarding the topic. The topics shall strictly adhere to the authors or socio-cultural backgrounds or influences of English literature. Students can select topic either from the prescribed syllabus or from outside the syllabus. Of course, topic selected from outside will attract grace marks. It is recommended to carry out the project on individual basis. In special cases, group presentation of the projects can be allowed. By the end of the 5th semester, a synopsis of project work should be finalized with the help of the guide. A synopsis thus finalized with the help of the guide or supervisor should be submitted to the department for approval. A synopsis should consist of the following 4 items: title of the project, objectives of the study, the review of literature, and methodology including the reading list. Even though project is a miniature form of research in which a student is supposed to follow MLA style, stipulations given by the university is slightly deviating from the MLA style. A project report should consist of 25 to 30 A4 size pages printed, font Times New Roman, letter size 12 for the running matters, 16 for headings. But as per MLA, it is 14. Line spacing is 1.5. MLA says line spacing double. Page number top center. As per MLA style, top right hand side. Margin 1.25 inches on all sides, but MLA says 1 inch on all sides. Once you complete your project, you can go for spiral binding. There is an order to arrange pages in the project. We will see how to do that. This is the first page. On the top, you can type the title of the project in capital. Remember, as per MLA style, we should not capitalize the title. Below the title, you can type project report submitted in partial fulfillment of the requirements for the award of degree of Bachelor of Arts in English of the University of Calicut by, then you type your name, below your register number, below that the emblem of the institution, then month, year, department, name of college with address. This forms the title page of your project. Second page is a declaration duly signed by you. Third page is a certificate from the supervisor. If you have acknowledgements any, you can include that in the 4th page. 5th page is for content, in which you will be including page numbers of all the chapters, including the last section, namely works cited. Your content page will be followed by the body of your project: introduction, then core chapters, then conclusion, and works cited. These are the norms to prepare UG project. You should always note down changes from the MLA style. Thank you.